If you're looking to upgrade your home studio or trying to find the perfect holiday gift for someone in your family who's new to audio or music production, then stay tuned because I'm about to share with you my top recommendations in different budgets for all home studio essentials. Starting with microphones. Even though there are thousands of different mic models to choose from, I'm going to simplify things by splitting them into two main categories: condenser mics, which is what I recommend for musicians and voice actors, and dynamic mics, which is what I recommend for content creators, podcasters, and live streamers. For under $100, here are my recommendations. The Lewitt LCT 240 Pro condenser microphone. This kit comes included with the microphone as well as some nice accessories. It has a small form factor so it looks great on camera, and it can be used on any audio source from vocals to acoustic instruments. My second recommendation is the Shure SM58. If you've ever been to a concert or live event, chances are you've heard this microphone, and for good reason. It's reliable, it's built like a tank, and overall just a great entry-level dynamic mic. For under $200, the Rode NT1 Signature Series condenser microphone. This mic is available in different color options, and in my opinion is where you're gonna get the most bang for your buck, because for around $160, you'll get the microphone, a custom shock mount, pop filter, and an XLR cable. So literally everything you need to get started recording all in one package, and it sounds great for recording both vocals and acoustic instruments. But for podcasters and live streamers, I recommend the Rode PodMic USB. This is a great option because it can be plugged straight into your computer, eliminating the need for an audio interface, and it comes included with the Rode Central software, allowing you to add effects and customize the sound to best suit your voice. Moving on, for under $300, the Lewitt LCT 440 Pure condenser microphone. This is one of my all-time favorite mics for recording singing vocals and the acoustic guitar. It comes included with top-notch accessories, and personally, I'm a huge fan of the custom shock mount and magnetic pop filter because they're really small, which makes them perfect if you plan to be on camera. My second recommendation is the Shure MV7 Plus dynamic microphone. This mic can be connected using both USB-C or XLR cables. It sounds great, and it comes included with some really nice built-in features and software like real-time denoising in case you're trying to record in an untreated room, a digital popper stopper to remove plosives, and an auto level mode which sets the gain for you. However, if money is no object and you just want to get the best of the best, unfortunately there's too many options to name in this single video, but if I could choose best value for money, these would be my choices. The Lewitt LCT 640TS. This is an excellent sounding large diaphragm condenser mic, which comes included with some really unique built-in features like multiple polar patterns, a padding system in case you're trying to record really loud sources, and a high-pass filter which helps to remove low-end rumble from your recordings. So if you're looking for one microphone that can handle any sort of recording situation, this may be a great choice. But when it comes to dynamic microphones, the undisputed king of all dynamic mics, in my humble opinion, is the Shure SM7B, or its new version, the SM7DB. Pretty much every professional podcaster and live streamer uses this mic, and for good reason. It has a very warm tone, which makes it very easy to listen to for long periods of time. However, the SM7B is known for being a very gain-hungry mic, which means it takes a lot of gain from your audio interfaces to power it, and often this would lead to people having to buy an external cloud lifter to boost the signal, which is more money. So Shure created the new version, the SM7DB, which has the signal booster built into the microphone, which is the one that I bought and what I'm using to record this entire video with. Moving on to audio interface interfaces. For around $100, my top recommendation is the Audient Evo 4. This interface is very small and it comes included with a smart gain control, which is going to set all of the levels for you, making it the perfect choice for beginners. For under $200, the Audient ID4 Mark II. This is a one-channel interface perfect for any solo creator. It has excellent build quality, and its major selling point is the fact that it comes included with an analog style preamp based on the Audient ASP8024 console, which is very expensive. So it's really nice to know that you're getting that type of sound quality even at a much lower price point. Another great option is the Lewitt Connect 2. This is by far my favorite budget interface because it makes recording extremely easy. Due to the included Control Center software and its auto setup feature, all you need to do is plug your microphone or your instrument, click on auto setup, then follow the prompts, and within less than 1 minute, the interface is going to set all of the levels for you. It's going to ensure that the audio isn't too loud or too quiet. It's going to be set just right. This way, you don't need to worry about the technical side of recording and can just focus on creating. The software also comes included with some really nice effects, including 3 different EQ settings, a built-in compressor, clip guard, and a denoiser. For under $300, the Audient ID14. This is the big brother to the ID4. It comes included with the same excellent sounding analog style preamp, and it will give you more inputs and outputs, allowing you to record multiple audio sources and creating custom headphone mixes. Another option is the Lewitt Connect 6. This is the bigger version of the Connect 2, which allows you to record multiple audio sources at once. In addition, it includes a variety of connection types, including a mobile connection, which is perfect if you're a content creator because it gets you professional quality audio straight to your phone without needing a computer. Of course, it also includes the Control Center software, and it will give you much more control of all of the effects. The Universal Audio Volt 276 is another great choice. This is also a 2-channel interface, which comes included with a 610B style preamp and an 1176 style compressor built onto the unit itself. This gives you a lot of control of the sound going into the recording, which can definitely help you minimize post-production. Over $500, here are my 2 favorite interfaces. The Audient ID44 Mark II. This interface gives you 4 XLR inputs, which is what I recommend if you're in a band or if you want to use multiple microphones at once. It has excellent sounding preamps, and it includes an optical input, which allows you to expand the number of channels of this interface, giving you a lot of flexibility in any studio. But my personal favorite pro-level interface is the Apollo Twin. Universal Audio is known for making the best emulations of vintage and analog gear in the world, and this interface comes included with many of those plugins, and most importantly, it gives you the ability to run all of the effects in real time with 0 latency and without relying on your computer's processor. Pretty much, this is the closest you're gonna get to analog without buying the actual hardware. And by the way, if you enjoy videos like this one, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's talk about studio headphones. For under $100, the Audio-Technica's M50Xs. Even though I personally haven't tried these headphones for myself, I did hear great things from Grammy Award-winning producer Warren Hewart from the Produce Like a Pro YouTube channel, and he always talked about how great these sounds for the money, so I definitely trust his judgment. For under $200, my personal favorite headphones have been the Beyerdynamics DT770 Pros. I've been using these headphones for over 5 years now. They're extremely comfortable to wear even after long periods of time, and I'm happy to say that all of my mixes translated well regardless of where I listen to them. Another great option is the Rode NTH headphones. These have a special padding material which is supposed to be very comfortable to wear, and they were made with a very flat frequency response, which is especially great for mixing. Now let's move move on to studio monitors. Full transparency, I'm pretty biased when it comes to studio monitors because I've been using the same brand for almost a decade, and of course, I'm talking about Kali Audio. Not only do these speakers sound great, my favorite feature about their monitors is that on the back, they come with these placement charts. So all you need to do is place your monitors in your room, look at the charts, and change the EQ settings, and you're gonna get a really flat response out of the speakers. Ultimately, this ensures that what you hear is an accurate representation of the audio you recorded, and it will ensure that your mixes translate well regardless of where you listen to them. For under $300, I recommend the Kali Audio UNF4s, which are near-field monitors perfect for any small room. For under $400, the Kali Audio LP6s. I own those monitors for many years and they served me very well. So if you're trying to level up your mixing skills without breaking the bank, these may be the best option. And then my all-time favorite monitors are the Kali Audio IN5s, which is what I have here on the background. These are three-way speakers, giving you a lot of separation between the low, mids, and highs. Until this day, the best sounding monitors that I've ever owned. The links to all of the gear that I mentioned and all of my reviews will be down in the description below. And if you also want to check out my own home studio tour, then make sure to click on this video.